Ever feel like you're stuck in a rut, working tirelessly yet not getting anywhere? It's a familiar narrative, isn't it? Aspiring entrepreneurs often grapple with these very struggles. The path to success seems shrouded in mystery. The fear of failure looms large, and financial constraints feel like an unyielding wall. It's a tough journey, no doubt, but remember, you're not just a dreamer, you're a doer. You're not alone. Many have walked in your shoes and found a way out. Meet John, Lisa, and Robert. They were in your shoes not too long ago. John was drowning in student debt. Lisa was stuck in a dead-end job. Robert was a retiree with too much time and not enough money. Then they discovered the From Zero to Online Success Guide. Suddenly, their struggles became stepping stones to a thriving online business. Today, they're financially free, living life on their terms. They changed their lives, and so can you. Imagine having a step-by-step guide to navigate the world of online entrepreneurship. Picture this: From Zero to Online Success, a step-by-step guide to making money online. This isn't just a report, it's a roadmap to financial freedom. It's packed with practical tips and easy-to-follow steps, designed specifically for those starting from scratch. Baffling jargon? Gone. Overwhelming concepts? Simplified. And the best part? It's absolutely free. This guide is the key to unlocking your online success. Why wait for success when it's just a click away? Don't let hesitation become a hurdle. Dive into the ocean of opportunities with our free report, From Zero to Online Success. It's more than just a guide. It's a roadmap to your dream of online entrepreneurship. Hear the echo of success stories from those who've used it, and let it inspire you. Download From Zero to Online Success now, and embark on your journey to online entrepreneurship. Success is waiting for you.